local government customers are typically moving away from traditional MPLS networks, data centers with large centrally hosted firewalls for internet access, to a more distributed architecture where we have direct internet access available to every site. We have SD-WAN providing the secure connectivity on top, and we have SSE, Secure Services Edge, providing the secure internet access. Now, this means that the staff can consume internet services, whether they be SaaS or any other internet services, wherever they're based, but it also gives them private access to the private applications. So whatever applications they might be using, they can connect to them securely, and we can provide very, very granular controls about who can access these applications, what time, where from, what devices, and how we want to authenticate those users. So we have a really, really strong understanding of who's using those platforms when all of it is being logged, and we can track it. Moving to a SASE model for local government makes perfect sense, because it means we don't have to be using expensive MPLS connectivity. We don't need to pass the traffic through centralized firewalls that may be experiencing congestion. We can use direct internet access, which means that we can send all the traffic straight out to the internet, providing the most optimal path. So using SASE, we can deliver optimal connectivity to all employees, regardless of location. For larger sites, for example, we would use an SD-WAN to connect the sites. For remote workers, even in the field, we can use SSE to actually provide the secure access to both the internet as well as the private applications. We then tie that into digital experience monitoring to actually see that if there is a problem, we can actually pinpoint the problem and fix it really quickly. So when you're looking at SASE, it's also important to look at the cost, because in many cases we're replacing expensive MPLS connectivity with much cheaper direct internet access. We're also replacing large and expensive centralized firewalls with all the associated hosting costs with a much simpler to manage and potentially much cheaper to operate cloud-based solution.